Magandang araw at kamusta po kayo muli? Welcome po sa Monday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ngayon ay June 28, 2021, the last Monday of the month. Ito po ang iyong likod, Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007. And I do this daily report, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang news po natin ay tungkol sa NLEX at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, June 28, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay po, let's start po with our business news. NLEX plans to start a 2 billion peso Quezon City extension project this year. NLEX Corp announced Sunday its plan to start the construction of a 2-kilometer expressway connecting Mindanao Avenue Toll Plaza to Quirino Highway in Novaliches, Quezon City by the second half of the year. The construction of this new 2 billion expressway will be welcome news for NLEX commuters who currently face daily traffic gridlock in the congested portions of Mindanao Avenue. NLEX Corp President and General Manager J. Luigi L. Bautista said in a statement. Eventually, this section will be integrated into the future NLEX expansion to C5 CP Garcia near Katipunan Avenue. We foresee an interconnected tollway network that will be accessible to the west, east, north, and south sides of Metro Manila, he added. The new project is part of the government's Build program. It is also part of the 11.5-kilometer NLEX C5 link between Mindanao Avenue, Quirino Highway, Regalado Avenue, Congressional Avenue, and CP Garcia Avenue in Quezon City. It is expected to contribute to the government's economic stimulus initiative aimed at generating more jobs and helping revive the economy amidst the pandemic, Mr. Bautista said. So that's our news for the day, and may I share with you the commentary of BDO Nomura on the said news. Ang sabi niya dito, we think that the expressway extension will help increase average daily traffic in NLEX, which is positive for MPI. We have a buy rating for Metro Pacific with a target price of 6 pesos and 60 centavos. Okay, so after that, let's now take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the index fell 12.55 points or 0.18% to end at 6937.96, and based on the structure of the candlestick, the PSEI or the index is still bullish with RSI at 63, although it lost 12.55 points today. Bullish pa rin po ang PSE. And I think, let's take a look, yung next resistance level niya, nandito po sa 7,080 to 7,090. As for the market summary, 107 companies advanced, 96 shares declined, while 43 remained unchanged. The all-share index, however, registered a positive result of 0.36%, up 15.03, while the PSEI reflected a decline. O baka itanong niyo po sa akin, Sir, bakit nag-decline ang index? Yung all-share naman ay tumaas. Ang sagot ko po dyan ay yung all-share index po ay lahat the all-share sector represents all shares. Lahat po yan ng shares na nasa PSE. While yung PSE index are just 30 stocks. Okay po? 30 stocks lang po yan, representing the best stocks in the PSE. So, talaga magkakaroon po ng diferensya. Pero most of the time, kung nag-decline ang index, decline din ang all share. Normally ganon. Pero may pagkakataon tulad nito na red ang index, green naman ang all share. The sectoral indices ended mixed, with the financials, properties, and services ending in the red, while the holding companies, industrials, and minings were in the green. Mining led the gainers at 1.38%, while the financials led the losers at 0.75%. As for the market status, we will be reviewing the most active stocks, but before I do that, let me acknowledge first some comments and requests here. Makiuso requested for MEG and COSCO, while Renesio requested for AP, SCC, and MBT. Okay, and then we will also be review naman natin yung mga ibang non-index and lesser reviewed stocks, no? So we'll be reviewing ACEN, Tech, MEG, Green, and PGOLD. So hindi po natin ito masyadong nare-review eh. So let's now go to MEG. Requested. Okay, MEG ended in the green. So 2 days na po siyang umaakyat and it gained 1.85%, ano? And bullish po siya, kung makikita po natin yung ating candlestick. Yung green candlestick niya is 5 days na po consistently na umaakyat. At nasa resistance level na po si MEG. So yung resistance level po natin is the EMA 100, and the next resistance level, if I will be the one to plot this, would be here. Dito po nakikita yung next resistance level at this area. Actually, resistance level pa rin po ito eh. So, lagay po natin dito. Dito ko po nakikita sa 350, yung next resistance level po ni MEG. Pero bullish po siya. RSI po is at 60.64, which is a bullish number. After MEG, COSCO. Tinitingnan ko kanina itong COSCO. Kasi mukhang holding company to. When I took a look at the PSE website, COSCO is the holding company of PureGold. Hindi ako familiar with COSCO eh, so I decided to take a look kung ano yung, what kind of company this is. This is the holding company of PureGold. So, COSCO, nagkaroon siya ng red candlestick today. Actually, this is also resistance area. Ito po resistance area po niya. Yan po. But the next resistance level ay masasabi ko pong nandito. Sa 560 to 570 ang next resistance level ni COSCO. The stock is still bullish although it ended in the red candlestick. So in general, it's just moving sideways from this point, June 11. But based on the moving average, bullish pa rin po yung stock. Meron siyang doji dito, red candlestick, pero mukhang alternating red and green siya. Yan, no? Yan yung nature ng kanyang movement. Alternating red and green. Although more on the red, pero yung ating moving average is under the candlestick, which would indicate some bullish movement. Yan po yung take ko sa COSCO. And kung titignan pa po natin, if we will be drawing a channel, kasi po merong pataas po yung kanyang, actually ganyan eh. Ganyan yung kanyang movement niya. Ngayon, kung mag-bounce siya dito sa line ng channel, then paakyat pa rin yung stock. But in all indication based on my my simple analysis of the candlestick, bullish pa rin po, pataas pa po yung stock in spite of the red candlestick that we have had in the past few days. And then, Aboitiz Power. Okay, Aboitiz Power ended with a green candlestick, but although this appears to be moving sideways, our indicators, yung moving averages, are still under the candlestick, which would indicate a bullish movement. Pero kung titingnan po natin ang fundamentals, if you will check the fundamentals kasi, ang AP kasi ay meron siyang target price na 30 pesos. Somehow, meron pa siyang upside of 23% based on fundamentals. Based on the technicals naman, bullish pa rin po yung stock. The resistance level is at 25.30 to 25.40. Yan po yung next resistance level ni Aboitiz Power. And since our moving averages are under the candlestick and the RSI is at 59, I would say na meron pa siyang upside CAP. And then SCC, one of the highest paying dividend stocks to, si Semirara. Actually, Semirara bullish pa rin, no? Tama yung ating indicators. Yung naka-line up na ganito is meron definite trend eh. Pero in the past few days, it appears to be moving sideways starting here, June 8. Mukhang sideways yung movement niya. But if we will base it on our indicators, bullish pa rin po yung stock as the RSI is also at bullish. No? Now, ang ating resistance level, lagay natin dito sa 15. Yan yung nearest resistance level niya. Kaya po siya nare-reject. 15 to 15.10 po yung resistance level. When I talk of resistance and support, these are not exact points but these are areas. So yun po ang masasabi ko dyan. Yung support level naman, nasa EMA 20 po at 14 to 14.10. It follows the yellow line. Yan po yung resistance level ni SCC. And then Metrobank, puro mga index stocks po ito. Itong re-review natin except for COSCO and SCC. MBT ended with a red candlestick, losing 20 centavos today to end at 48.90. Still, I would say sideways to bullish. Kasi nagpe-pierce through itong yellow, yung short-term exponential piercing through. Pero the closing price of today's stock is higher than the exponential moving average today. So yung next resistance level niya nandito po sa 50 to 50.10 ni MBT, while the support level ay pwede nating ilagay po dito sa 47.80 to 47.90. But the stock is still bullish. RSI is at 55.32. Bullish, sideways to bullish, but more on the bullish side. And then ACEN or ACEN. Okay, ACEN had a bounce today, and the bounce came at this level. Dito po siya nagbabounce sa 8 to 8.10. So kung yung low po niya is 8.19, so malapit na po yan. But the stock is still doing good as the RSI is at 62 and our indicators are nicely lined up. Ganito po yung trend eh. Yung may definite trend, lalo na po kung makikita nyo yung long-term 100-day na ang general direction niya ay pataas, there is a definite trend. And kung titingnan nyo, yung talagang pataas, very smooth, no? Yan po. Yung short term naman indicates kung ano yung trend niya in the short term. But in general, the medium and the 100-day exponential moving average is the general trend of the stock. So yung resistance po is nasa 8 to 8.10, while the support level, while the resistance is nandito na po yung highest eh. So, nasa 930 to 940 po. O 925 to 935 po yung next resistance level ni ACEN in general is bullish. And then tech. Okay, tech. Nag-red candlestick siya. Successive red candlestick. Ngayon, si RSI niya is at 67. Na-reach na niya yung overbought level here. And this is a red and looks like an engulfing candlestick. So ingat lang po tayo dahil in the past 2 or 3 days ay nag-overbought na po yung stock. So baka lang po magkaroon ng reversal of sorts. Let's take a look at the DMI. The DMI is 29. So in other words, baka magkaroon ng reversal soon ang stock. Ano po? Dito po sa tech. And although our indicators are under the candlestick which is bullish, ingat lang po tayo dahil malaking red candlestick po yun nandito, yung the past 3 days. Although it appears to be moving up, a red candlestick is not a good sign based on technical analysis. And anytime, the stock may reverse. Pababa. Okay, and then MEG. MEG is good news. Yan. So, makikita niyo po dito na bearish siya before. Actually, sideways yung kanyang movement in general. Pero, kung titingnan niyo po yung short-term indicator, the moment na nag-cross dito po yung candlestick, indication na po na nag-change na po yung trend. Yan po. So, it's bullish to sideways ang take ko po dito sa MEG with the next resistance level at 350. And the support level is nandito po sa 307. Again, when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. And then green. Okay. Green has a definite trend. Parang ACEN siya na pataas yung nicely lined up yung mga indicators natin, indicating a definite trend. And there is a slight above average volume, which would indicate that there may be some price movement upwards in the coming days. So yung next resistance level ni green, I would say nasa 480 to 490. And then our last stock is PGOLD. One of my favorite stocks. Bullish pa rin si PGOLD, although in the past week ay sideways po yung kanyang movement. So there have been some movements in the stock since May 17. Starting May 17 ay tumataas na po siya. And it became bullish on May 27 nung lumagpas siya sa EMA 20. So right now ay bullish pa rin po siya, although it ended with a red candlestick. The RSI is at 62 and it is now at resistance level here at 4050. Actually 4090 po yung tingin kong resistance level dito, pero napaka area po kasi ang support and resistance eh. So the next resistance level after that, nakikita ko po ay nandito po sa 4270 to 4280. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Monday, June 28, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa COVID, magpabakuna. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. God bless and bye for now.